Okay, so this is the topic we are starting today, anthropometry. So इसका मतलब ये है कि the measurement of human body. Okay, like we should know about our human body, like our average height in India. कि what is the average height of male and female? 5 feet 6 inches is actually an average height in India. Okay, so we should also know this that when we are like sitting, when we are sitting, so what will be the height? Like what is the sitting height? Okay, and when we are standing, and if our hand is this, like we are making our shoulders straight, then how much distance it is taking? Okay, and same follows for this, like if the human is this and both hands widely spread, so we should know all these dimensions. Okay, like because then only you will like able to design. Okay, so okay, I'll let's see this. So see, it's saying that this is 20 inches, then this is 43, this is 42. Okay, this is wrong actually. The data is wrong. Okay, no worries. So, okay, so the reason behind this study is that, like, whenever we are designing our space, so obviously, human will use that space now. So, let's go here. Okay. So when we are like, see, let's see the dining spaces. Okay? So when we are sitting, how much space do we need? Okay, like this is the sitting space a human require, and this much is the like working area, and then the same goes for this. Like these are the same units. So in this it okay, so this is the minimum space. Like if I'm sitting here, I need 24 inches wide minimum. Okay, so this is almost 36. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is 30, means 2.5 feet. So same goes for this. Like let's assume that there is a dining table now. Huh. Let's assume there is a dining table. So there is 6 people who are using it. Okay, so in this, uh, okay, so 6 people are using it. Okay, so this will be almost 30 to 36 inches. Uh, this will be almost uh, 5 feet 6 inches minimum. Like 5 feet 6 inches is a standard. Okay, but this also, like, see, uh, if this is 5 feet 6 inch, we have to add this also, and we have to add this also, because a chair will come here, chair will come here. So add almost 1 feet or 6 inches. 1 feet 6 inches, optimal space at all the sides. Okay, so that's how you will like design the things now. Okay. So next is I'll go with the kitchen. That seems more easy and useful. Okay. So see, so in this diagram that it is showing that when we are working, our full height is this. When we bend, like because see if there is a switch, so our hand should reach there. Okay, that's why this distance we should know. Okay, and if I am sitting here, so I should be able to like manage this height. And if there is a counter, obviously there is a cabinet or a counter at this space. Okay, so I should be able to like comfortably open these cabinets. Okay, and obviously there will be a circulation space. uh, See, there is a cabinet, so he can easily see this and can work easily here also. And see, this is optimal. Like it's not very short, and nahi it's very like it's in the vision. Okay, uh, so that's it. I'll make it very short because in this you have to only study in this. I'll have shown the diagrams. If you need this book, you can tell me. I'll share the book. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for watching.